Hello, it's Gordon from Festool UK here. Please take a look at my video of the brand new CTMC SYS Cordless Dust Extractor from Festool. So, you've finished on site. You might be a flooring contractor, a joiner, a painter and decorator. Job well done, or so you thought. The phone rings, you've missed a bit. It's only a 5-minute job, but unhappy clients aren't good for business. So you have to return to site. But the site is lovely and clean and you don't want to make a mess. Until now, your only choice is to return with a brush or your heavy and bulky 110 volt extractor, and possibly even a transformer. This is the perfect time for the CTM SYS from Festool, our all new cordless M-Class dust extractor. All the power of our mains dust extractor in a small package. With its lightweight and small dimensions, it's perfect for those remedial jobs where you need to be working agile and fast, but with the security of knowing that you're site compliant. Let's take a closer look. Being Festool, it's fully compatible with our all-our sustainer range, including the bot van racking system. If you're just returning to drill a hole or sand a small area, it's the perfect solution. It's very compact, but in some extreme circumstances, you might need something even lighter and less bulky, so we can make it even smaller. Let's see how we do that. First, we remove the hose. Next, we remove the straps by pressing these clips here and here. Now we can separate the hose garage from the body of the extractor. By the way, you also get these two handy cleaning tools. Next, we can attach the carry strap to the extractor by simply sliding on here and here. And now we have a lightweight but full power M-Class dust extractor in a package the size of a laptop or sports bag. Finally, fit the dust port cover and you can travel anywhere on site and be ready to work in an instant. The controls are easy and clear to understand. First, press the large power button here. The extractor is now ready to use manually or via Bluetooth. Manual start is here, and adjustable suction is here and here. Don't forget to use the lowest setting possible to the point where your extractor is still effective. That way you will extend your battery life. The Internet of Things is the future. Already, many of your personal devices are connected to your phone, from your home appliances to your car. Festool lead the way in the power tool world with a raft of features available via Bluetooth. The CTMC SYS has Bluetooth functionality to enable remote starting of your extractor by two means. Firstly, this handy remote is standard with the extractor and is very easy to pair. Simply hold the Bluetooth button. The blue light flashes quickly, press the large green button on the remote and the extractor will start. By pairing the Bluetooth battery on your Festool power tool, you also have automatic stop-start for the extractor, which will in turn save your extractor battery life as it won't be running continuously. By pairing the Bluetooth battery on your Festool power tool, you have automatic stop-start for the extractor, which will in turn save your extractor battery life, as it won't be running continuously. If you want to pair your Festool Bluetooth batteries to the CTM SYS, press the Bluetooth button once. And then turn on the power tool. So as soon as the power tool is switched on, the extractor will turn on and turn off when you've finished your task, again saving battery life. If you're a distance from your extractor, perhaps you're up a ladder or on a scaffold and you want to pair a new battery, you can simply press the pairing button on the remote. This will activate the pairing status on the extractor. Simply switch on your power tool and they will seamlessly pair. Bluetooth functionality also means that you can then update the software on the extractor and gain additional data. Running times, service condition, location. Bluetooth integration across the whole range of Festool cordless products adds fantastic functionality to your dust extractor, with more functions being added all the time. Maintenance of the CTMC SYS is simple. Filter and bag can easily be accessed by opening the bottom unit by turning the T-lock. The bag has a 3.5 litre capacity, helping to keep the size of the extractor very compact. The main filter and bag are accessed here. With its clever compact design, cordless independence, Bluetooth integration and easy user interface, the CTMC SYS is a great solution for your worksite extraction needs. Extraction wherever and whenever you need it. And finally, do remember to download the Festool Work app and create a My Festool account. It's the best way to register your new Festool machine for our warranty all-inclusive package. It's the free, unparalleled support package from Festool. 10 years spare parts guarantee, 3 years free servicing and 3 years theft protection. It's unbeatable.